Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 11, and in today's tutorial, we'll cover how to set units and explore important settings in Coohom's preferences. So, let's get started. Now, before you start designing any project, big or small, it's important to set up your preferences. When you open Coohom, go to the top right corner and click on your profile logo. From there, select Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find several sections such as General Settings, 3D Design, Rendering, Home Type and Layout, Customized Shortcuts, Public Library. Let's start with General Settings. The first option here is Language. You can choose the one you prefer to work in. The second is Units. When you click on Units, you'll see options like feet and inches, decimal, millimeters, meters, and more. Select the one that best suits your workflow. For this tutorial, I'll select feet and inches. Next, you can adjust the precision. This controls the level of detail in your measurements. For example, you can choose 1x2 or 1x4 and so on. I'll set mine to 1/4 inch. And remember, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. You can also set the background theme to light or dark mode. I personally prefer dark mode because it reduces eye strain while working for long hours. The next option is the context menu. This is the small pop-up menu that appears when you select a model in your design. You can choose whether it appears in list format on the right side or as a straight line menu. Then comes the mouse wheel direction setting. This controls whether scrolling the wheel moves the view upwards or downwards. You can check the preview image to set your preference. Other options such as autosave let you set how often your project is saved automatically, for example, every 5 minutes, or you can turn it off entirely. In the 3D Design section, you can adjust settings related to 3D viewing and navigation. Most of these can be left at their default values unless you have specific preferences. You can explore all the other sections as needed, but for now, these are the key settings to configure before starting your project. In the next video, we'll explore Coohom's interface in detail so you can work more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all upcoming lessons in this masterclass. And remember, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. And also you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HD Elite. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll start creating our first full project step by step. Happy designing!